Okay, so let's say you want to embed a some kind of video into your course. Here are the TED Talks that I've embedded into our 3 Ideas course. And then you can do the same thing with YouTube. Most of the time with these videos, you'll see, it's becoming more common that you see this embed code somewhere near the video link, right? So you'll have all the different options to share the video. And instead of going up to the URL and copying the URL, you can copy this embed code. So we're just going to do a select all, copy. And so we've got this embed code copied to the clipboard. Now if I go over to Blackboard, I can embed that in lots of different places here in my Blackboard course. In my discussions, for example, if I want that video to appear right in the discussion topic, when I create my topic, I can just paste that code in here. This is all the embed code that I didn't write out, I just copied it from that TED Talks page. And then I want to click on my Use HTML checkbox here. Okay, so then we'll say, give it a title, and we'll hit save. Okay, upon doing that, here it is. Let's go ahead and preview that topic. Well, I guess we can just go open it. Okay, now here's the page that your students are going to get. They need to accept the secure and the insecure content. So in IE8, it's asking them if we want to see only the content that was delivered securely. No, we want to see everything. And that's what's going to load this TED Talk in there. Okay. If you want to put some verbiage before it or afterwards, you can do that too. We go back to edit properties on that guy. And if we enable the HTML creator, this editor is just going to parse that embed code, and we'll see like an outline of the image. See, so here's an outline of that video, where the video is going to be. Okay, so if I need to put text in here, I can put a few return characters ahead and say, here is the video that I want you to watch for this week's discussion. And then please post on the following, whatever, right? So you can put text there. We'll move it up a little bit and hit save. Teach discussions, and now we go back to TED Talks, and you'll see you've got that text verbiage in there, and the video's right inside the cool thing with the TED Talks too is that you can see the subtitles, and you know, you watch the video right there. So you can do that anywhere that accepts HTML in the course, which means from the Build tab you can do that in the header, right? The same thing in the header. You could paste that HTML code, the embed code I mean. You could do it in the footer. You can add a file and do it in a create file. So anywhere in Blackboard Vista that will accept HTML code, just be sure to check the box that says HTML. And the same is true for, you know, sites like YouTube. You'll see the same kind of embed code with YouTube videos, and it'll work similarly. So if we look up our, we'll just pull up this one, the first one that's here, and you'll also see down here that we've got, stop that, a button that says embed, and then for YouTube, then here's the code that I would copy and paste. Okay, so keep an eye out for those embed codes. It's kind of nice when the video is right directly inside your Blackboard Vista shell. Thanks.